Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with another bouquet cityscape. I haven't painted these in a while and I wasn't very satisfied with the last bouquet landscape that I did. Hence, I had to have another go at it to reclaim my Queen Bokeh self-proclaimed title. I'm so glad I did it, vindicated with this piece. I actually really like this one and it's been a while since I've produced a bouquet cityscape that I fancy. As a city girl, I've always found big cities very comforting and a lot more welcoming. Dawn before the sun rises and dusk after the sun sets are my favorite time. Rare days when I look forward to go to work and every day when I anticipate the journey back home. The sea of red and white lights on opposite sides of the highway brings a sense of familiarity, but also a little frustration if I'm rushing against time. But do I actually miss the traffic? No. I've been working from home since the days of COVID and I can't imagine going through the motion again. Still, painting has its benefits. Fragments of memories translated through the paintbrush. Escapism and Nostalgia 101. This piece was a bit complex and a couple of layers to make it work. I've started a habit of sketching with a pencil before painting over it, and then I paint a thin layer to map out the colors. Once I get a rough idea and I'm confident with the visual direction, I paint the second and third layer properly. Next step would be to blur the landscape by blending all the edges. Then comes my favorite part to add the bokeh lights. The rose is optional, but it's like a little bit of me in every painting, spectating on the sidelines. I really like this painting and I hope you'll relate to this if you enjoy long night walks in the city. Just be sure to keep your bag and wallets closed. This piece is listed on Etsy, link in description. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
You take my love away. When I come back around and I know what to say. Said you won't forget my name. Not today, not tomorrow. Kinda strange, feeling sorrow. I got change, you could borrow. When I come back around and I know what to say. Not today, maybe tomorrow. Open up the door, can you open up the door? I know you said before, you can't cope with anymore. You told me it was war, said you'd show me what's in store. I hope it's not for sure, can you open up the door? Take my love. could take my life away. When I come back around and I know what to say. Said you won't forget my name. Not today, not tomorrow. Kinda strange, feeling sorrow. I got change, you could borrow. When I come back around and I know what to say. Not today, maybe